Because in 2020, this is a statement of Commissioner Allison Heron-Lee on the continued repeal of the Volcker Rule. This was, January 30th, 2020. Today's proposal would increase banks' ability to add risk to their balance sheet in two significant ways. What are those ways? Today's proposal would increase banks' ability to add risk to their balance sheets in two significant ways. It would broaden the categories of private funds in which banks can invest, most notably by including venture capital and credit funds. Wait, venture capitalists. Oh, well, don't worry about them. They were just bailed out in the SVB bank. So they were bailed out 100%, but don't worry about that. And it would allow banks to evade certain investment restrictions by permitting a greater degree of parallel investment alongside covered funds, thus allowing exposures to these often high-risk holdings. Well, isn't that what you want your savings bank to do? Isn't that what you want them to do when you deposit your money for safekeeping? I mean, isn't that what you want them to do? As with the rule last fall, this proposal replaces clear common sense restrictions with just the hope that banks will self-police. God, we heard that. Didn't we hear? Oh yeah, it was Alan Greenspan in the lead up to the crisis in 2007. Don't worry, in 1990, in 2000, he said, don't worry, the banks will self-police. They would never do such a thing. Yeah, right. Okay, just the hope that banks will self-police and remain diligent in identifying and mitigating their own risks, an expectation that flies in the face of experience. The structures of large financial institutions, including bankers' compensation, still strongly incentivize the kind of risk-taking that led to the financial crisis. Hope will not protect investors from bank appetite for risk in the pursuit of yield. I cannot support this proposal, but yet it passed. And what it really does is allow more leverage, which means debt upon debt upon debt upon debt upon debt. They have this teeny little bit of equity, and they have massive amounts of debt tied to it. Yeah, that makes you feel safe. If you like this clip and you want to watch the full video, just click right here. And to subscribe, click right here.